When your LED light strip remote stops working, there are three main areas to diagnose. Let's check batteries first, then power supply, and finally connections. Nearly 40% of remote failures are due to dead or improperly installed batteries. This is the most common culprit and should be your first check. Replace the batteries, ensuring correct polarity. Look for the plus and minus symbols in the battery compartment. Clean the battery contacts if you see any corrosion. About 30% of remote issues stem from power supply problems. Check that your power supply is securely connected to both the LED strip and the controller. Look for a stable power indicator light on the controller. This shows the power supply is working correctly. Check all power connections are tight and secure. Loose connections account for around 25% of remote failures. Inspect all connections between the power supply, controller, and LED strips. Check the wiring diagram for your LED strip setup. Make sure all connections are tight, properly inserted, and free from corrosion or damage. These three basic checks solve most LED remote problems. Start with batteries, then power supply, then connections. This systematic approach will identify the issue in 95% of cases. When basic troubleshooting doesn't solve your LED remote issues, it's time for advanced diagnostics. Remote controls have specific range limitations that often cause problems. Infrared remotes require direct line of sight to function properly. Even small obstructions like furniture or decorations can block the signal completely. Radio frequency remotes can experience interference from other wireless devices. Wi-Fi routers, microwaves, and other RF devices operating on similar frequencies can disrupt the signal. Power cycling both the LED strip and remote can resolve temporary glitches. Turn off the power supply, wait 10 seconds, then turn it back on. Many remotes also require pairing with their receivers. Sometimes the issue isn't with the remote at all, but with the LED controller itself. Controllers can overheat, have loose connections, or experience internal component failures. When traditional remotes fail, modern alternatives offer more reliable control. Smartphone apps and smart home integration are becoming the preferred solution for many users, providing enhanced functionality and better connectivity. Advanced troubleshooting requires systematic diagnosis of range, interference, pairing, and controller issues. When traditional remotes consistently fail, modern smartphone and smart home alternatives provide superior reliability and enhanced control features.